Uncover the thrilling legacy of automobiles, from steam-driven wonders to cutting-edge electric marvels. The car show serves as a treasure trove of automotive knowledge and culture for every enthusiast. This incredible book holds over 600 pages packed with detailed insights and industry knowledge. Explore how cars have transformed lives, impacting society, environment, and our future mobility. Delve into the rich history of automobiles, showcasing pivotal inventions that shaped our world. Learn about steam-powered vehicles that marked the dawn of the automotive era. Discover the evolution of engines, tracing the journey from early internal combustion to hybrids. The car show isn't just about cars. It covers thrilling realms of auto racing and motorsports. Take a leap into Formula One, rally racing, and the breathtaking spectacle of auto shows. Get global insights into vehicle usage and cultural significance across various countries and regions. Gaze into the future and explore innovations in autonomous vehicles and alternative fuels. Why should you read the car show? It caters to students, educators, and car lovers alike. This book demystifies automotive slang, making the jargon accessible to every reader. From luxury limousines to compact microcars, every genre is explored in meticulous detail. Boost your knowledge with structured lists and an extensive index for easy navigation. The car show is completely free, licensed under Creative Commons for everyone to enjoy. Download your copy or read online to fuel your curiosity with rich automotive insights. Written by the talented Nicolae Sfetcu, the book brings clarity to complex automotive topics. Buckle up for a thrilling ride through the essence of car maintenance and styling features. Elements like body styles, significant models, and even automotive flops are all included. Autobahn's preservation of the past meets the future. The evolution continues to amaze us. Explore the fascinating terms that define various car types, from sedans to SUVs and more. The history of car design mirrors society's progression, intertwining culture and innovation. Cars are hailed as environmental improvements, yet they now pose significant pollution challenges. From urban planning to safety laws, the car's impact resonates in every facet of daily life. Enjoy a complete reference on driving laws, traffic codes, and essential safety innovations worldwide. The car show is your ultimate pit stop for everything automotive, keeping your curiosity fueled. Experience the intertwining tales of iconic vehicles, historical marvels, and future fantasies. The joy of car culture transcends age, allowing enthusiasts young and old to connect deeply. Witness how cars have shaped economies, lifestyles, and even artistic expressions in modern culture. Whether you're a seasoned enthusiast or a casual viewer, there's something captivating in every page. Start your journey into automotive history today. It's free, fun, and filled with knowledge waiting to be uncovered.